Hi, welcome to Your Engineer. We have a common platform for all engineering students to provide them extensive guidance and mentoring related to their academic as well as professional career. Today we are going to discuss top 5 skills for engineering students. Let's begin. First, coding skills. Today is the age of computer and technology where from small scale to large scale every industry is hiring engineers having coding skills. The top coding skills are C and C++, Java, Python, HTML and CSS, PHP and JavaScript, DBMS, which is short for Database Management System. The coders who are proficient in C and C++, they are hired in operating systems profile. Java developers mostly deal with game development. Python is the basic language for machine learning profile. HTML, CSS, PHP and JavaScript, they are web development coding profiles. DBMS stands for Database Management System and it is highly required skills in IT industry. The job profiles that you will get after learning these coding skills are: first, front-end and back-end developer; second, database developer; third, machine learning engineer; fourth, full stack developer; and fifth, game developer. There are also many job profiles in IT industry that you can get after learning these coding skills. The industries which hire people having these coding skills are: first, IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech; second, e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, American Express; third, social media and workspace companies like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn; fourth, public sector banks such as Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Citibank; and fifth, gaming companies like Tencent, EA Sports. These companies hire people from the coding skills background. Now, second skill. The second skill is the design skills. The top design skills are AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, Creo and Rhino. AutoCAD and Fusion 360 are created by Autodesk. CATIA and SolidWorks are from Dassault Systems. Creo and Rhino are also a sketching software where you can make the 3D and 2D diagrams. The sectors where you will be recruited after learning these skills are public sector, private sector, interdisciplinary sector, multidisciplinary sector, research sector. Public sector means in the government agencies. Private sector means the IT industries, as well as there are many manufacturing industries, lean industries, and some development industries are also hiring students from these backgrounds which have the design skills. Interdisciplinary sector means suppose you are from mechanical engineering background, so you can be hired with aerospace engineering profile. You can be hired with civil engineering as well as automobile engineering, metallurgical engineering, mining engineering. Multidisciplinary sector means like you are from mechanical engineering but you are hired in biomechanics industry. Research sector means you are hired in research and development sector of any particular sector which are described above. Industries that hire candidates having good design skills are Tata Group, Mahindra, Renault, Godrej and Kirloskar, Larsen & Toubro, which is a construction company, Boeing and Airbus, which are aerospace companies, Synergy and Safran, which are also construction and engineering works companies. The third skill which are required for every engineering student is analysis skills. Top analysis skills are ANSYS, Abacus, MATLAB, Simulink, AnyLogic and Arena. The recruitment sectors which you will get after learning these skills are public research and development sector, private research and development sector, interdisciplinary research and development sector, multidisciplinary research and development sector, and research and development sector. The industries that hire candidates having good analytical skills are Valeo, Andrees, HCL Tech, Amazon, Larsen & Toubro, Boeing and Airbus, MathWorks and Genpact. Now coming to management skills. The fourth and most required skills is management skills. The top management skills are project management, analytics, finance, digital marketing, psychology and negotiation. Now these are the top management skills which are required by every engineer who is ready to get hired in these management companies. Now Mostly the engineers which have the management skills are hired as a technical manager. So these managers can be hired in manufacturing sectors, design sector, project sector, construction sector and research sector. The fifth and the most astonishing skills is academic skills. Academic skills means you have a good command on your subjects, whatever branch you are. So you have a good command. When you will have a good command on your subjects, you will be getting hired in education sector, e-learning sector as well as the research sector. You will complete your higher education and get into the education profile as an assistant professor, then associate professor and then upcoming professors into an education industry. Thank you very much. These are the 5 utmost and foremost skills that are required by every engineering students if you have completed your engineering or if you are into the engineering itself. Subscribe this channel for more updates and thank you very much for watching us. Like this channel, like the video, share the video so that every engineering students get this video. Thank you very much.